Frame control can also be viewed as a debate tactic used by debaters to direct the focus of the argument. It can involve the manipulation of language and imagery in order to establish and reframe a specific perspective of an argument. Frame control can be used to emphasize specific facts and concerns, downplay the relevance of others, cast doubt on specific facts, or present a story that influences people's opinions. Frame control is often used as a preemptive tactic before introducing an argument. Debaters can use language to emphasize certain desired perspectives before their opponents have had a chance to respond. For example, if a debater starts with the phrase, "Some people think," then this ultimately shapes the conversation by making it appear that multiple perspectives already exist. The initial framing of the argument may be difficult for the other side to counter. It's also important for debaters to use frame control in order to establish the criteria for evaluating their argument. This helps to narrow the focus of the debate onto certain aspects of the argument and away from any issues that the debater might be uncomfortable discussing. Debaters can use frame control to drill down on specific points that they feel will give them an advantage. Debaters can also use language to cast doubt on the arguments made by the other side. Some of the most effective techniques involve establishing a sense of false equivalence. For instance, if a debater states that both sides of this argument agree that, then they can downplay the legitimacy of an opposing point of view by implying that it isn't as valid as their own. This can help to steer the conversation away from uncomfortable topics and towards the desired conclusion. Finally, debaters can use frame control to create a narrative or story that can influence public opinion. This technique involves constructing a narrative that ties various facts together to present a powerful and compelling argument. This can be used to persuade listeners by making complex arguments easier to understand and giving them a better sense of the big picture. This is the reason why frame control is an incredibly valuable tool for debaters. It can be used to shape arguments and influence the direction of the conversation. It involves the strategic use of language to focus attention, downplay certain facts, create false equivalences, and construct powerful narratives. This will enable debaters to craft more persuasive and effective arguments, and to be more convincing and successful as a result of this. Frame control is a powerful tool for any person in business to utilize while negotiating contracts, influencing people, and maintaining their authority, influence, and respect in the marketplace. It assists in keeping the people in business focused on the big picture, setting limitations and objectives, and anticipating the methods of their competitors. By dominating the frame, person that is using frame control may obtain the upper hand and accomplish the best deals and results. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel in order to be informed when we publish new content.